How to fix Vanguard anti-cheat error in Valorant. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can fix the Vanguard anti-cheat error in your Valorant in Windows. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply go to the taskbar and simply search for Valorant. Now, once you have searched for Valorant, you can see the name right here. So you can simply right click over to this, or you can simply use this option to click onto this option, which is open file location. Now this will open your file explorer, and from here right click onto the Valorant shortcut and choose onto this option again, that is open file location. Now from here you can see the Riot client services. So right click onto the Riot client services and click on show more option, and then click onto the properties. Now this will show you this small window. So in this small window, what you need to do is go to the compatibility and enable this particular compatibility mode, that is run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8. Then what you also need to do is you can click onto this option, which is run this program as an administrator, and also disable full screen optimizations if you would like. Simply click onto this apply option and then click onto this OK button to apply these settings, and hopefully your issue will be resolved. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.